to another 1/6 scale figure video. Today will be me doing a custom body swap to the Trick or Treat Studios Michael Myers. And what we have here is the Worldbox body with the additional one-piece forearms. So I'll quickly zoom into the item number there, AT020, and this is the actual body that is compatible for the arms. So they say. I'm pretty sure you can swap them with most of the arms, but I'm using the AT020 because it's the right sizing when it comes to this particular Myers. And again, this is the Trick or Treat Studios Myers. And I think the body isn't stock because you couldn't pose him like this with the stock figure because the arms are only single jointed. But you can see the problem I have there is you got those joints popping up, and it is a bit of a wrestle when it comes to these coveralls to actually get them to cover that seam. Even when they're relaxing like this, you can still see the joint there. It's just a bit of a nitpick I have. And I feel because this figure also had a couple of other issues, the nitpicks just pile on in my opinion. Like for example, it didn't come with any black shirt underneath. It came with just a fabric sticky taped, and you know, that's pretty poor. But I still think the head sculpt is really killer. I still think it's probably one of the best Myers head sculpts out there. So what I'm going to do is do a very quick unboxing of the body itself and the forearms and showcase them and put them side by side to the TOTS one that is on the figure here. Also was a negative to some other people as well because they have no texturing work. You know, you can see it there, it's very, very bland, too smooth as well. And you go down to the open palm one, it's pretty much the same go. And yeah, what I'm going to do is unbox these guys and see how it goes. So if you guys do enjoy this, make sure you like and sub, and we'll get to unboxing. So right before I assemble this guy, I want to show the other stuff that may be needed if you're going to use the Worldbox body. So obviously you're going to need this neck peg connector because the mask has this ball joint style. And for other people that are doing other customs with other various figures, mind you, most of my stuff that I have swapped out behind Myers are on Worldbox style bodies. So you do come with an array of different stuff, different neck adapters and joints, and obviously you get a shitload of hands. I think personally Worldbox are the best readily available bodies. I think there's nothing better than them. And this is the seamless arms with the new bodies, and these are amazing. This is the TOTS knife, and I wanted to see if this was able to even hold it, and it does. It does a more better job than the actual TOTS hands. You know, you got the vein effects, you got the different speckling of skin texturing. Like, look at this. That's amazing. Like I said, I think Worldbox easily become the best bodies to get that aren't custom and are readily available. Then you got the open palm hand. Just as good as the gripping hand, and that's obviously going to go there. With the Worldbox body, I'm not going to use this body. Also, a bit of helpful information they've got at the back of the box here is how to take the arms off the stock Worldbox bodies. So it says to soak it in water. I'm going to try a hairdryer and just try and, do the hairdryer technique. You put it on the joint and you pop it off. And also, this is a great example because I'm assuming you have to put these on after you put the body on. So I would advise take all this shit off, take the hands off the Worldbox body, put the clothing back on, and then try and roll the sleeve up and pop this in. I think that's probably the best way to go around it. So what I'm going to do now is swap the body out, put the seamless arms, and go to the showcase. And that's pretty much it for today. I think he turned out really, really well. He looks just as menacing now as Myers should be, not with those smooth arms he had. Such a weird choice from TOTS. I know they've done an update, but I think this is way superior than even those updated arms. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure you like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.